Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to start page numbering from specific page in Microsoft Word. So for example, if you have list of figures from this page, I don't want to add page number here. I want to page number start from this page. How you can do it easily, just select here, then from the layout, click this symbol, next page. If you click this symbol, you see here we have sections break. Now you can uncheck this one, click here, then from insert page, then from insert page number, bottom of page. For example, I want to select this one, then from page number, format page number, start at 1. I want to start at 1. Good. Then link to previous and check this one. Now you see it started from this page. The previous ones are not listed. You can see page number 2, page number 3, but if we come back to its very first page, you see here we have 4. Just click this one from page number, click remove. Directly we don't have any page number from the very beginning pages. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to start page numbering from specific page. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.